All here again from EMD Automotive. We got this Audi Q5. We're ready to install the front bar, but this is the old one, the old harmonic balancer. But before we took it off, we had to actually make sure that the actual crankshaft is lined up, the top dead center, because that mark there has to face to the top when we put it. So the only way to know is just take that cover off here and put a special tool in there. And then that's a special tool here. Then you got to put it in here. Put it in there. Like that. And wind it up. All the way in like that. And now, if you look at it, the mark has to point up to the top there. That's wrong. So we got, when we install the new one, that mark have to be pointing to the right on top in the middle. So that's the only way. That's how you install a harmonic balancer, and that's how you do the timing as well for the top as well, for the camshaft. But you got to actually have that on, and once you finish, make sure you take it off straight away. So, but we'll leave it there for now because we got to install the new one, the new harmonic balancer, and then we'll go from there. Alright, thanks for watching and please subscribe.